Hi there, on this video I'm going to show you how to install WordPress. But before we start, make sure that you have done just 3 things. So step 1 is you have purchased your web host. Next is you have purchased your domain, and the third one is that you've pointed your domain name to your host. If you've done everything, then this would be the next step in creating your website using WordPress. First is download WordPress. You're gonna download that from wordpress.org, and then just click this button here, download WordPress, and then download WordPress. Next is I'm gonna access my web host. I use Server. Just gonna enter my credentials. And access my cPanel. If you can access your cPanel directly, you can also do that, but for some reason I can't do that. So anyway, going back to create or to install WordPress, first is you have to create a database for the website. So scroll down and look for database here, and then click on MySQL database. For this video, I'm gonna do a test database, right? There we go. And I'm gonna create a user for this database. I'm just gonna use the same thing, same name, test, and create a generic password. Make sure that you remember or note down the password, the user ID or the username, and the name of the database and the password, because you're going to use that later on. Once you're done, almost missed the step. So just go back to your database and make sure that you add your database to and your user. To add the user test to the database test. Here we go. Click all privileges and scroll down, make changes. Once you see this message here, means you're okay, and just go back to cPanel. Once you're on the cPanel, look for files and click File Manager. So for me, my website or the address of my website is nikael.com, and anything that is displayed on nikael.com can be found on the public HTML folder. So look for that folder, and we will install WordPress here. So if you have multiple websites, you have to make a folder for each website, but for today I'm just gonna create the web page within or WordPress within my current website. So I'm just gonna add a folder to this public HTML. That would be test. Once you have the test folder, I'm gonna upload the WordPress that we've downloaded a while ago. There we go. Once this is complete, you'll just see it at 100%, and then you can go back to the home page. Okay, so once you see it at 100%, that's good. And we can go back to our cPanel. So you see here that WordPress has been uploaded. So what you need to do now is extract it. Just extract it there. Don't have to change anything there. And just click close. So once you have, or once the file is extracted, you can see this and all the files inside it. So you have, next is you have to look for this file. It says wconfig sample and just rename it and delete the part it says sample and the hyphen and just rename the file. Next is you go and edit the same file and put the database that we created a while ago. So that would be _test and don't forget your password. So what you need to update here is the database name, the database user, and the password. So once you've typed down everything, just click on save and close. Just go back one level up. Oh, sorry. First is you have to take everything. So just select all, move it, just delete the WordPress folder. You want to put everything on the test folder. So once it's done, this folder would be empty, and when you go back, everything would be outside. Just make sure, and for your website to work, you have to make sure that you delete the WordPress folder and the WordPress zip file. To check if you've done everything correctly, just need to go to the website. So my website is nikael.com. Since we put or we installed WordPress on a folder within nikael.com, which is test, our website would be nikael.com/test. And if we've done everything right, this is the page that you'll see. So it's WordPress about to install. Just click install, fill in the details, test site, and confirm, use your email, and click on install WordPress. So it's a success. Then just log in to check if it really did work. Sorry, I think I typed the password incorrectly. Let me try that again. There we go. So we do have our website. And you can check your test site. So it's up and running. So that's how you install WordPress in under 10 minutes. Thank you, and see you on my next video.